Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, go to Task Manager, then simply click here to open it. Now click on Run New Task, then select Browse button. Now go to C drive, then open Windows folder. Now we need to find out for System32 folder. So here it is, double click on it to open it. Now find out cmd.exe file, simply select it and click on open. Now this will be our main path. After that, check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. Now type here these two commands carefully and simply press enter to execute them. Type sfc space slash scan file equal to c colon slash windows slash system32 slash iframe.dll, then press enter from your keyboard. Now type sfc space slash verify file equal to c colon slash windows slash system32 slash iframe.dll. Now type exit to close the command prompt window and simply move to the next step. This step is very important, so go to search bar and then type Chrome, click here to open it. Now on the right top side, click on these three dots, go to settings. Now select search engine, select advanced options and go to set system. Then we need to disable this. After that, close this window and move to the last step. That will be go to search bar, then type Chrome, open its file location, right click on it, select properties. Then from the target section we need to add some text here. Simply type in space dash dash process dash per dash site, then click on apply and then select continue and OK. Restart your system, your problem will be solved, you're good to go.